ladies, it's Gracie with WTI. Are you wanting to wake up to fabulous curls without any heat or really any effort? Then you have to check out this heatless hair curling wrap from Octocurl. We got the medium length size and this octopus design is truly a genius. So it's got a total of 12, may I say, tentacles that you can just wrap every inch of your hair. So you just start off with almost fully dry hair. And we ended up making a zigzag design and placed this in the center of our part. Then you just start off by taking really small sections of your hair and twisting it away from your face and around the strand. And the best part is, once you're done wrapping your hair, it's got these elastic straps that are built in. So you just bend the end and tie the band around your hair. And I love that it's completely customizable. If you have thinner hair or you just want more of that loose beach wave look, you can either snap off extra curlers that you don't want, or you just combine 2 or 3 strands together for that thicker curl. And this material is so soft. It's made of a polyfiber filling. It makes these strands super squishy, lightweight, flexible, and super comfortable. And plus, this no headband design not only makes it easier to sleep at night, but it helps your curls to start much higher to your root for more of that fuller and natural look. My cousin received so many compliments on her hair, and we were both so impressed at how well these curls stayed in all day. So go ahead and take a break from those heating tools and grab this curling wrap instead. And that's my point of view.